Are you a new guitar enthusiast? Ever pondered why some beginner guitarists lay down their instrument just weeks after starting? Today we're unraveling 5 intriguing facts behind why many beginner guitarists put down their guitars for good during the first few months, aiming to inspire and motivate you on your musical journey. Firstly, the issue of something called strings attached. Did you know that sore fingers are one of the main reasons for early guitar abandonment? As you start your guitar journey, your fingertips might feel a tad raw as they toughen up to press down those strings. But don't fret. This discomfort is fleeting and a sign of progress. Welcome it as your fingers build calluses, turning a bit of pain into musical prowess. Secondly, we have chord confusion. Learning guitar chords can seem like cracking a complex code at first. With countless shapes and finger placements, it's easy to feel swamped. Yet here's the cool part. Every guitar legend started right where you are. Break down those chords one strum at a time, and before long, you'll be playing your favorite tunes with confidence and style. Our third fact revolves around rhythm riddles. Ever find yourself strumming out of sync with the beat, feeling like you're in a musical tug of war? This is the world of rhythm, where timing is everything. Don't get disheartened by the occasional stumble. Even the pros hit a few off beats now and then. Keep practicing, tapping your foot to the groove, and soon, you'll be the one setting the tempo. Next up, tuning troubles. Picture this. You've just learned your first song, but something sounds off. Yes, the dreaded tuning problem. It's no secret that keeping your guitar in tune can be a perplexing task for beginners. But don't worry, with the aid of handy tuning apps and online resources, you'll soon master the art of pitch perfection. Remember, even the most seasoned rock stars tune up before hitting the stage. Lastly, persistence pays off. Here's the ultimate truth. Every setback is a stepping stone to success. Whether it's a sore fingertip, a complex chord progression, or a tuning hiccup, each challenge you face on your guitar journey is a chance to grow and improve. So don't give up at the first hurdle. Instead, embrace the learning process, celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and keep strumming towards your musical dreams. In conclusion, as you set off on your guitar journey, keep these 5 fun facts in mind to stay motivated and inspired. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and above all, keep the music alive. With dedication, perseverance, and a dash of fun, you'll soon find yourself strumming melodies with the best of them. Rock on!